And there it is. This is Kobe coming back at you with another tip from Solo Sail Away. So, today I'm just going to give you 5 quick tips of some things that you may not want to forget when you're packing your stuff for that Virgin Voyager cruise. First thing is first, travel documents. Do not forget your travel documents, okay? You will need your passport, your identification card, or driver's license. So don't forget your travel documents. And then the next thing would be clothing essentials. Swimming trunks and different things like that. Things that you may need for that. If they got themes that's going on that ship, like Virgin Voyager have Scarlet Night, you may want to have something red. So, clothing essentials. The next thing would be toiletries and medication. Don't forget your toiletries and medication. And then another thing would be tech gadgets, which would be like your camera, your cell phone. Don't forget to put that cell phone on airplane mode. But different type of tech gadgets. But make sure those tech gadgets is allowed on the cruise ship. Make sure those tech gadgets is allowed on that cruise ship. So go to their website and find out, is this allowed or is this not allowed? That part. Next but not least, travel snacks. Sometimes you may want a little potato chips or Doritos or something like that, but just make sure they are travel size. Travel size. These are just 5 little tips that you may want to consider when you are packing your things on your next Virgin Voyages cruise. But like I had said in the video, make sure you go to that website or any of the cruise ship you're going on to find out what you can bring and what you cannot bring. You know what I'm saying? And there it is. Peace